In this video, we're going to show you how to find your PC or laptop serial number on Windows. There are many reasons to need your laptop or PC's serial number. It may be needed for warranty or replacements. Hit the Windows key and type CMD for the command prompt, PowerShell to find Windows PowerShell, or Terminal for Windows Terminal, and select the app when it pops up. Once open, type the following and hit Enter. This command works in all three of the apps mentioned. Your serial number should appear. Go ahead and write it down. This is the easiest and fastest method. The second method includes checking the serial number on the base of your desktop or laptop. Most laptops house this sticker on the bottom. It'll have the serial number, model number, and other information. Pre-built desktops also come with a similar identifier label. That's it. These are the easiest ways to find and identify your PC serial number on Windows. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.